Hi guys, today I want to unboxing this one. This is the protective glove for electrician use one. Electrician use low voltage protecting glove. Okay, low voltage only. So one set. Okay. So okay, this is the brand. Okay, hgsafety. Okay, brand new. Okay, that's all around here. HBS growth. Okay, so protective growth one set. Okay, got the measure there. Is the safety symbol. Okay, and now we open it and see inside this glove. Okay, inside is this. Alright. Okay, first QC card. Okay, quality check card. Okay, inside here, okay, here you see. This stuff. Okay. Oh, nice. That is the grip. Okay, 400 volt low voltage one. Okay. Safety brand has hgsafety. Okay. So okay, mostly like this one here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is a short video only for introducing this hgsafety glove for low tension one. Low voltage insulation protective glove. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again. Bye.